And hello, today we are going to be making some stickers using our favorite AI generators. Microsoft Bing, which is a free service, gives you 15 free credits daily to create images. And we're also going to be using Midjourney. So, Valentine's Day is coming up. I mean, people don't want to believe it, but like these stores out here be having Valentine's gifts out already. So we are going to create some stickers for Valentine's Day. So here we go. Flat illustration of a teddy bear for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to be doing lots of prompts and lots of things to try simultaneously because it makes my workflow go faster. So we're going to jump into Canva while that is creating images, and we're going to ask them to create cute things for kids for Valentine's Day because we're actually going to create Valentine's Day cards. So we are going to switch back, and it has created some images for us. These are actually super cute. Just a reminder, you cannot sell these items. These are just for personal use only, but it's great for practice as well. So we're going to create some more. Now we're going to jump back to Canva. No, sorry. ChatGPT, and it's given us some sayings that we can use in our actual card. So these ones were a little bit not too human-like, so I asked it to change it up, and let's see what it gives us next. So we got some more cute images. We got like this super cute teddy bear. And let's see what other things we got. We got another teddy bear. We got quite a few good things here that we can actually use to create our items. So sometimes I take cute on and off, but let's go back to ChatGPT. Sorry, I'm switching back and forth. But Valentine's, you are the cherry of my top of my day. You are dynamite. You're extremely awesome. So you can actually use some of these prompts to actually give you ideas of how you would like your images to be. So obviously you can just, play around with that. So I felt like it wasn't very kiddie like. So I'm like, you know what? Create more that are relates to, create more that relates to a teddy bear. So, and make it more human and childlike because you have to do that or else you won't get exactly what you want. So we're going to jump back and see what our AI generator has been doing. And I actually love this one that I'm pointing on here. It's actually super cute and it could be a great card. You can actually use this as the front of the card. So actually save this one and download it. And let's see what other ones that we get here. That one is not bad. That one is not bad. Now, I think I'm going to take out cute and see what other things I get. So, actually I'm going to take out cute and I'm going to use cute pizza. Like the pizza ones did come out a little funky, so let's wait and see. But let's go back to our ChatGPT. And it's been working for us. And it says, Valentine's, you make my heart very happy. So you see how it changes it and makes it more childlike and not so like a machine or a robot. So that's the kind of stuff you want to do. It does take a little bit of trying, but if you're a person that likes to make customized gifts, something different out of the box, this is a great way to do that. So let's us go back to our Bing and see what we got. So the pizza, like, I'm not gonna lie, the pizza kind of looks weird. Not entirely sure if I love it, but let's create again and see what else we get. And hopefully we get something different. So we got some more pizza illustrations, and this one actually gave us words. We didn't even ask for that. So Valentine's Day. So we probably would have to edit it in Canva and probably have to put happy Valentine's Day in order for it to, kind of cohesively go together. But it's actually not that bad. I think you could work with this kind of image and you could actually make something pretty cool. So while this is going on, we're going to go to our favorite, which is Midjourney. So I will say I spent a lot of time in Midjourney. Like I spent a lot of time. Again, this is a paid service. So the images you do get are quite different, but they're quite lovely. You can see me struggle bus right here. So I'm going to zoom past all of this stuff because I was struggling to get it. So let's just fast track this part. So while that was doing its thing and creating the images, I asked it to create some cute illustrations. We ended up doing a Valentine's Day card. I find that Bing is more for like cartoon like items. So you get the more cartoony stuff, which is really nice. So we'll let that generate and let's go right back. So we got something very nice in Midjourney. We got cute watercolor illustration of teddy bear for Valentine's Day. It is a simple problem, doesn't mean need much, and you came up with something beautiful. So let's keep prompting and seeing what else we can get. So I kept going and I kept adding different words, playing around with things. Cute teddy bear holding, I think I said heart for Valentine's Day. So just trying to just find different things and different variations that we can create to try and see if we can make something really, really cute. Cute teddy bear holding flowers for Valentine's Day. Like I was doing every kind of option because I was trying to think of things that the teddy bear would hold. Who would like this? Making it a cute card, all these kind of things. So this takes a little bit of a process. Not everybody wants to do this, but this would just evoke your creativity and you'll realize how much things that you can create and how much you can actually be creative when you're feeling like you're not a creative person. So I wouldn't get discouraged at this point because, for instance, this, we didn't give it much direction and it just kind of just mumble jumbled everything up and I just didn't like how it looked. It's not the exact style I was looking for. So I had to really change the prompt and say cute watercolor illustration of a teddy bear holding flowers. If you let the AI generator do, like, for example, sorry, look at this. I never gave it any instruction. It kind of just threw everything to the wall, which sometimes is not the best because you don't get exactly what you're looking for. So you got to be descriptive. You got to think about what you like and you kind of, if you left cute teddy bear holding, flowers, it gives you like not exactly what you're looking for. So we started off with this. That heart looks kind of cute, but it's not really giving us the whole Valentine's Day vibe. So we really have to keep prompting and giving it more information so we can get exactly what we like. So to get some ideas, I'm going to my savvy and trusted, and that is Etsy. Etsy will give you what's on trend. You can see what's selling. You can see what's popular. If you are selling, this is a great, fast, and easy way to find out what's going on. So for example, you could already see that there's a bestseller already. So people are actually buying Valentine's Day items right now. So this would give us a good indicator and give us some ideas on what to create. So with that information, we're going to go right back to the drawing board and we are going to create more images. So I'm just going to speed this up a little bit just to cut through everything. And I just want to show you how much of the prompting that I had to do to get exactly what I wanted. And I just did a lot of like playing with words, changing words, taking out words to get exactly what I want. Now, what I'm trying to work on though is trying to make everything cohesive, and it's actually quite difficult. I know that there's a way, but it does take a little bit of practice, and that's what I'm trying to fine tune. Because if you're doing something where you want it all the same kind of colors and shades and try to make it the same, it does take a little bit of practice, but it can actually come out really beautiful. So I actually wasn't even thinking about strawberry covered, like, I wasn't even thinking about that, but look how cute that looks. Like the car, look at the strawberries. I know it's going really fast, but I just want to show you quickly how, you can find different things that you can create. Like I was also looking at this different houses, so, or like bakery shops, and I wanted to create some of those are also cute. That's kind of like the Christmas versions of the gingerbread houses, is like the bakery shops with candy and all that kind of stuff. So we're just gonna keep zooming past and I'm just gonna show you even more items illustrations that you can create. So as you can see here, I created some really nice trucks, and I said, I want to create illustrations of like floral. That one wasn't the same color scheme, so you can see how it totally changed, and I should have been very specific. What you can do is do a grouping of items too in one prompt. I don't know how well it would come out, but you can actually do that as well. So we're going to actually change that up as well, and trying to get exactly what we want. So sometimes, like I said, if you let the engineer or the prompt, sorry, AI do whatever it wants, you kind of get like really random and wild things that doesn't necessarily go with your theme. Like for example, this wreath, it totally was a blue wreath and like totally didn't go with my theme. So sometimes you can redo the prompt, and that's what I'm doing right here. Try and see if I can get other things, but here you can see it's totally different. So again, I had to keep changing the prompt, redoing the prompt, and I'm just showing you all of this because I think sometimes people forget that it's like you do have to work at it, and it does take some practice. I know it's kind of frustrating, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. Because when I first started doing this, I'm like, what am I actually doing? What is happening here? Especially when you're working with Midjourney and you have to go between the two things, the Discord and the Midjourney, to see your photos. It gets kind of annoying. Okay, so we're headed back to Bing, and we want to see if we can get some other items. I don't know if I'm going to get exactly what I wanted because, like I said, I can be on this and talk about this for hours, ends on end. So we're just going to try and play around with what we have and see what we can get. So toggling between the two, I'm kind of getting a feel for what I like and what I don't like. Like for example, this is cool, this one right here, but it just wasn't the look that I was going for. So I had to redo the prompt, and I said watercolor illustration of in a cream, like a cream envelope. Like you have to be so specific with the look you're trying to go for. I don't think I got exactly what I wanted, but I mean, you just work with what you got. So watercolor illustration of a cream colored envelope with red roses coming out, and let's see what we get. So we're just gonna wait and wait and wait patiently, and then we can find and do another one. Watercolor illustration of a Valentine's Day bakery with a, what did I put here? Can't even remember. I think Valentine's bakery. I don't know what I was trying to go there. So let that go and generate. And I think we actually might get what we're looking for because it kind of looks like we're getting exactly what we're looking for. So let's see how that goes. All right, so in the back end of Midjourney, we'll eventually see, but I'm just looking one more time to see what kind of ideas I can get. But in the back end of Midjourney, we'll start to see exactly what I created and all the different items. But look at how much different ideas that you can get. So anyhow, so let's go back and check out our Midjourney now. So look at the flowers. They're pretty cute. And look at the little bakery. But here's the issue now. The bakery has those weird words. So I'm going to show you in Canva something so cool that you can actually change it up. So I think that's enough for our prompting. I'm going to do one or two more, but let's go over to Canva and see what we can do there. So we are here in Canva and we are under Magic Studio, and this is where all the goodies and the fun stuff are. Now this is a paid subscription, so you would have to pay for this service here. So I wanted to do the magic erase, and I wanted to erase this Val curler. I don't know what that is. Midjourney is not good with words. Bing is good with words. So we're gonna erase it, and like just look at this. Like, it is actually astounding. So not perfect. So I went back and I did it again. And again, you can actually put your wording in there. You can actually change it up. But like, this is amazing. It's like a whole new picture. So definitely something you should consider. So this is a perfectly easy way to create cards. If you're on a budget and you only have printer and ink, and you want to create custom beautiful cards, you can definitely do it this way. So I used what we had from ChatGPT, and I kind of custom made something myself, and I said, "You are very cute." How? Like, come on. That is so sweet. So I'm just going to try to center it, and I am going to change up the font. You can upload fonts. Again, this is something for Canva users who is a paid subscription. So we're going to use this cute little kitty font, and we're just going to make something cute. So we'll just see what we can do. So I was having lots of Cricut difficulties and I couldn't get the outline on it, but I ended up cutting it myself, but they end up looking really super cute. So if you don't have a Cricut, you can definitely cut it out also. So check out my Christmas tree, so sweet. Anyhow, this is the final product. I need to cut it better. This was so super quick, but you can definitely make it beautiful, so easy. So if you love this tutorial, if you want me to do this again, don't forget, you know what to do. Bye.